Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for a Thai employment visa step by step. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Thailand is a very top tourist destination. I don't need to tell you. So a lot of people, those who work in hospitality industry, try to work over there, especially during business tourist season. So how actually you can get a visa? So that's what we are gonna go through it. So first of all, we'll go through this wizard, okay, and we'll see that what visa you need. So let's say you have an ordinary passport and purpose of your visit. Let's see what are the things we have. Employment, you want to take up some employment, okay. Now click on check. You're gonna need non-immigrant visa B. If you go into the detail, ordinary passport folders, so they have given the requirements: photograph, letter from the company, objective, that should define your objective, letter of invitation from a trading company in Thailand, so that we have to, passport, travel document not less than 6 months, 18 months, photograph, employment visa, letter approval from the Ministry of Labor, okay, so that's fine. Employment contract, copy of work permit, okay, fine. In case you have previously worked, so there are requirements, you can go through it, but we'll the go for this process where single entry visa valid for 3 months. All right, so first thing is you got to sign in. If you don't have an account, you got to create an account. Because I already have it, so I'm gonna sign in. So let's go from there. All right, so I'm in the new system, I'm in the online system. So I click on apply for a new visa, eligibility. All right, so let's say travel document folder of, you need to do it as per your case, not based on what you see in this video, okay. Then if you scroll down, you have more questions: passport type, purpose of visit. So it's very important that you answer these questions properly. Take your time, understand, and then provide proper answers. Number of entries, single they have given, okay. All right, so what are the things they have asked? Name, title, former name, name, full name details, contact number, nationality, place of birth, travel document, your passport, address information, employment details, okay, employment details in Thailand, okay. Facility, yes. And then travel information, supporting documents. So that's how you will proceed, guys, and then you can pay and it goes from there. Thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.